Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. Our today's idiom is bun in the oven. The meaning of this idiom is to be pregnant or to be expecting a baby. I hope the meaning is clear. It's very much simple. Bun in the oven doesn't mean at all that bun is kept in the oven. This image is completely wrong. As you can see in this image, it correctly depicts the meaning of the idiom pregnant or expecting a baby. Now we have learned the meaning of the idiom bun in the oven. Let's learn how to use it in a sentence. Our first example is after trying for a baby for several years, Mark was happy when his wife told him she had a bun in the oven. Second example is throwing a baby shower is one of the best ways to announce that you have a bun in the oven. Our third example is after running numerous tests, the doctor was happy to tell Mary that she wasn't sick but that she had a bun in the oven. And fourth example is after experiencing some bouts of morning sickness, Kate began to suspect that she might have a bun in the oven. I hope all the four examples are clear to you. Please let me know your opinions about this idiom in the comment section below. Our second idiom is bite head off. The meaning of this idiom is to overreact in an angry or harsh way, or to respond angrily to a harmless or moderate situation. I hope the meaning is clear. As you can see the image, it correctly depicts the meaning of the idiom. Now we have learned the meaning of the idiom. Let's learn how to use it in a sentence. Our first example is his mother nearly bite his head off when he got his new shoes dirty. And second example, the boss was in such a bad mood today, he bite the new guy's head off for being 2 minutes late this morning. Our third example is I told the waitress that my meal was cold and she practically bite my head off. I said hello when I walked in and he nearly snapped my head off. He must have a bad day at the office. You can also use snapped my head off. It also means the same. The meaning is same for bite my head off or snapped my head off. I hope all the examples are clear to you. Please let me know your opinions in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing and informative content. Thank you so much.